Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to present with notes here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To present with notes in Canva, you can use the Canvas presenter view, which allows you to display your notes privately while your audience only sees your slides. For you to be able to do that, I want you to click on the design or project that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section here on the left side. You can choose, of course, from the social media, education, marketing, or you can search thousands of templates here, which is kind of like if you type in presentation, see, and press enter, what will happen is these are some of the presentation templates that you can start with. Or if you have already a design in mind, just click the create a design so you can start from scratch. Now here it is. I'm working with this specific design. If I play on it, you see, presenting with notes in Canva has several benefits that can enhance your presentation and make it more engaging and organized. For you to be able to do that, click on close. There's going to be an option that says notes here in the bottom left part. If you click on it, you can add notes to your design, right? So there's kind of like limitation. So 5,000 characters in it. You see that? So it's up to you, right? Of course, you can also do this on page one, right? For example, I'm going to duplicate this page. All right, so the first one has this note, okay? And if you want to have a different note for the page two, you might want to click, for example. So you have that. Now, if you are presenting this, click on the preview. See that? Now, Speaker Notes provides a structured guide to ensure you cover all key points and maintain a smooth flow throughout your presentation, right? Because with the notes as references, you can avoid unnecessary tangents and stick to the main objectives of your talk, right? So the notes are there for you to help. Once you are happy with this, you might want to click on the download option here on the upper right corner. Click on download, save it as an MP4, or if you want to share this to your client, just click the copy link right here. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.